Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix failed to open the group policy on this computer in Windows 11, 10. Open File Explorer. Open this PC. Click three dots, click Options, click View Options, check Show Hidden Files and Folder. Open C Drive. Windows, System32 folder. Open Group Policy folder. Rename Machine folder to machine.old. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.